Alright, YouTube, Lunchables make some really good frozen stuff. This is the grilled cheese. They also have a pepperoni pizza grilled cheese. And we're going to do this in the air fryer. Welcome to Air Fryer Tuesday. Alright, YouTube, that's the Lunchables right there. The grilled cheese. And you can put them in the microwave or we can try them in the air fryer. Actually, in the microwave, they only take 60 seconds, but you do get 2 sandwiches. Alright, YouTube, so we have that Lunchable in here. This is what it looks like. And we're going to put it in the air fryer. Alright, so we have that in the air fryer. Push it in. You're going to want to do it for 60 seconds at 250. So that's basically a minute. Okay, YouTube, so we're back. Look at that grilled cheese. You can see I took a bite out of that. Well, look at that. Look how cheesy that is. So that's Lunchables. I did have to add 2 more minutes to this. So I'll put in the description the amount of time and the temp. But look at that. So good. Air Fryer Tuesday. Hit like, subscribe. Many more things to come in the air fryer. Bye-bye, Densler.